So we've got the goodie bags here ready for the tool show this Friday. Quick run through. We've got in here the Tough Built pouch and hammer loop, one then in every goodie bag. The Pazload reusable coffee cup. The BioShield space guard, that's a room sanitizer. Pazload notepad. Pazload t-shirt. Armour Guard keyring. We've got a selection of pens and pencils from various suppliers from Wearer to Metabo, Mafel, Armour Guard, etc. Armour Guard Carl Van Ear freshener. The Metabo trolley coin. The Wearer Tool Rebels sticker. And the brand new Pro Trade energy drink, along with the reusable Wearer bag. There may be a few extra surprises put in before the day as well.